All right, so question number 5, we're gonna do rules. All right, so this was a similar problem. Made an error in this case, but we're still gonna do our process and our conceptual standards, strategies, and check for accuracy. So in this case, let's read. All right, so we're gonna read. All right, Noel noticed that on a ruler, 6 inches is equal to 15.24 centimeters. The diagonal of his computer screen measures 20.5 inches. Which proportion could Noel use to find x, the length of the diagonal of the computer screen in centimeters? All right, so we just read, now we have 15.24 centimeters over 6 inches equals 20.5 inches over x centimeters. This is going to be wrong because remember, class, it has to be centimeters to centimeters, okay? And this is centimeters to inches over inches, and x would be in centimeters, right? So that's not right. 20.5 over 15.4. Okay, this is going to be inches to centimeters, and then 15.24, this is centimeters, and then 6 is going to be in inches. So once again, the arrangement is out of order. All right, the answer has to be, in this case here, it's going to be inches over centimeters equals inches over x. And in this case, x is a variable, which is the same thing as the variable we're looking for will be in centimeters. Okay? So it has to be centimeters or centimeters. So in this case, 15.24 is centimeters to inches, and then x would be centimeters to inches. 15.24 equals x over 6. So actually, this could be correct. C is acceptable because it's as long as it's centimeters to inches. So in this case, 15.24 centimeters. So this is actually in the form of centimeters to inches, and this is going to be also equal to centimeters over 6 inches. So the answer is actually C. All right, so 20.5 over 15.424. So 20.5 is inches, and then they have inches again, but it's the same number. This is centimeters, and this is in centimeters, which is correct, but you're not going to have the same. You're not going to have the same problems here. It's not going to be the same number, so it's not going to be D. So the answer is actually C. Another answer that would have been acceptable would have been 6 inches over 15.24 centimeters, which is equal to 20.5 inches over x centimeters. This is also an acceptable answer. All right, so this is correct, and this is correct. So this is centimeters over inches. 15. Wait a minute. 15.24 centimeters over 20. Oh, I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. This is not correct because this is centimeters to inches and centimeters to inches. That's right. But it says that 6 inches correlates to 15.24. So 6 has to be either underneath 15.24 or over 15.24. So the only answer that I see here would be option E. So y'all could have written this number in. So this person is correct. It's not going to be C. Okay, it's not going to be C. So in this case here, I'll count this as okay. So we read the problem, okay? The question was underlined, all right? Which proportion, keyword proportion, could Noel use to find the x length of the diagonal? Length of the diagonal of the computer screen in centimeters. All right, so we're gonna label, okay, so 6 inches. Okay, so 6 inches equals to 15.24 centimeters. The diagonal of the computer screen measures 20.5 inches. All right, so 20.5 inch diagonal. Which proportion could Noel use to find x? So the evaluation process would be 6 inches over 15.24 inches equals 20.5 inches divided by x. So we'll select the correct answer. It would be answer choice E. It would be answer choice E, not C. I thought it could have been C, but that's not correct. So I look here, I see that the process was strong. So I'll put strong process. And I will put accurate. Well, I'll say accuracy okay. The accuracy was okay because they really didn't write what it was, the answer was, but they clearly indicated what it was not. So accuracy is okay, process is okay, and then concept is okay. So I'll put concept strong. All right, so on our practice common assessment today, I'll make sure that these answers are in the choices here. All right, thank you all for watching. I hope that this helps.